Welcome to the wonderful world of GXBOB, the only YouTube channel that can care less about his audience. Today we are going to tackle on a problem that you people created out of thin air, most likely because you have nothing better to do. Some of these comments are, the fuck is with the 280 miles per hour speedometer? And then you have other people spamming me with laugh emojis, and I'm going to pretend those didn't hurt. And then you have quite a few people saying that they would consider it if CarLink Life fixed the 280 miles per hour speedo and made it more realistic. You guys are complaining about a speedometer that mimics the Lamborghini Murcielago. You rather have a Plymouth Voyager, Toyota Sienna, Dodge Caravan speedometer in your Lexus GX460? I spent half an hour with CarLink Life going back and forth through email, explaining to them that Americans want minivan speedometers and why 80% of our women are over 400 pounds. CarLink Life replied and said, let's fix this. Okay, the first thing you guys are going to want to do is get a thumb drive, something similar to this, but no more than 16 gigabytes, okay? We're going to stick this into one of the drives into our computer. My drive is going to be E drive, so just for demonstration purposes, whenever I refer to E drive, it's going to be whatever drive you are sticking your thumb drive into, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. When you stick your thumb drive into the computer, you're going to go to the link I'm going to send below this video. It's going to be a Google Drive link, and you're going to download that file. You're going to download that file into the thumb drive. That's where you're going to save it. After you click on the link, it will bring you to this Google Drive page. Click on the three dots on the right side of the file and hit download. Click download anyways. Your file will start downloading. You'll notice it at the top right corner with this down arrow. After it's done downloading, click on it and click on the folder symbol of your downloaded file. It'll take you to the File Explorer. And from here, you're going to drag your file to the E drive and drop it in there. After you're done, right-click on the E drive and click Eject. Now we can go ahead and pull our thumb drive out of our computer and take it to the car. Come on, guys. You're going to have a cable that's going to come out from behind your instrument cluster, and it's going to say System Update. You're going to take your thumb drive and you're going to stick it in here. The file is going to start downloading automatically even when you don't start your vehicle. After the upgrade is successful, go ahead and pull this out. Go ahead and start your vehicle. As you can see, your miles per hour is now 180. And there you guys have it, the instrument cluster update from CarLink Life to turn your 280 miles per hour to 180. The links to the firmware is right below this video. And also for those that haven't bought the instrument cluster, the discount code and the link to the instrument cluster is also below this video. So from GXBOB to all you guys, stay safe, peace out, and dislike this video if you were ever molested by your uncle. Peace.